Welcome back to the Piney Woods homestead, y'all. Today I am milling. Taking a break from the garden this morning. Lisa's been working her heart out down there planting tomatoes. I'm gonna try to help her a little bit this evening. Want to get some seeds planted, but for now I've got to mill some lumber. So I've got some southern yellow pines gonna go on the log deck this morning, or on the mill, and get cut. So I'm gonna bring you along for that, guys. Thanks for stopping in at Old Piney Woods. Hit that like and subscribe if you haven't, and if you have, as always, y'all, we appreciate you. Let's get to making some boards. Well, y'all, this is a pretty good log. I can kind of jack it up when I fell it. This came out of the garden extension down here, and I kind of ripped up one side of it. Lost a little bit, but the log's kind of bowed anyhow. No big deal, but there's no real knots in this, so it's going to be really good grade lumber when I get done with it, y'all. But you can see, still got a little bit more to cut to get off the top there, but it was pretty gnarly. Now y'all, the purpose of my milling today is actually for a buddy of mine that I used to work with. He does woodworking in a little shop that he has at his home, and he makes custom pieces mostly for the law enforcement community, because that's what he is. But it's really neat what he comes up with, and he loves using yellow pine as his base material. So I'm trying to get him some good lumber, some good wide boards that he can air dry, plane down, and use in whatever fashion his heart desires. So that's the plan for today, y'all. That's the purpose of today's milling. To help a brother out, get him some good grade lumber. So y'all, ended up with some fairly wide 10-inch clear boards for my buddy to do a few projects with. I'll get those stacked up. I've got another one to cut for him, and I'm getting a few 2x4s for myself so we can finish up that 1980s chicken coop, because 50 Ranger chickens are coming in about a week. Guys, thanks for hanging out with me while I got a log milled. We'll get back in the garden on the next one. Y'all have a good day, a great week. We'll see you on the next one. Good Lord willing, and the creek don't rise too high.